What's up, YouTube? This your girl Kanisha getting back with another video. So this is a relaxing evening routine in my life that I had did this particular evening. So it's just a regular evening where y'all know I love my nice bubble bath. I had to go in taking a nice hot bubble bath. So yeah, that's what you see me pretty much doing. I end up putting a little bath bomb in there too and make the water change. So this particular day, I just, just felt cozy and relaxed. So next you see me, I'm about to heat me some water up in the microwave for for a cup of hot chocolate. I was out of milk, so I just ended up using water instead. It wasn't bad, but I would have preferred milk instead. But like I say, sometimes you have to just, substitute what you have when you might have a taste for something. But yeah, I did wanted some hot chocolate.